there, my name is Janet, and in this lesson we are going to learn how to communicate effectively by stressing the correct syllable in a word or the correct word in a sentence to bring out the intended meaning. We are going to learn about word stress. To begin with, we define the word stress. Stress is the emphasis we put on a particular syllable of a word which has two or more syllables, and two, a particular word in a sentence. In dictionaries, we have this mark which is used to indicate stress and is known as the accent mark. A syllable, again, is a single unit of speech which usually contains a vowel. Syllable stress in a word depends very much on if the word is used as a noun or a verb. If the word in a sentence is used as a noun, then stress falls on the first syllable. For example, in this word, stress is falling on the first syllable because it is a noun. Now, this is import. Now, stress falls here on the first part, and so this is a noun. Now, if the word in a sentence is used as a verb, the stress falls on the second syllable. For example, import. This is a verb, and so stress is falling on the second syllable. Now, we've given these two examples. We also have further examples. Produce is something that has been produced, and produce is a noun, while produce is a verb, meaning to show. Now, insult is another example. Insult, the stress falls on the first part. It is a noun, and it means speech or action which insults. And to insult, this word here, is a verb. And we know that the stress is falling on the second syllable, and it means to do something or to do something to offend someone, that is to insult. Now, we also have another example. Now, desert, which is a noun. The stress is falling on the first part, and desert is a large, sandy piece of land where there is very little rain. And to desert, which is a verb, is to leave empty or to leave completely. The house was deserted. That is a verb. Its stress is falling on the second syllable. We have a task here. Fill in the blank spaces with the correct stressed words. I think Peter is the dash criminal she is talking about. We have suspect and suspect. I think Peter is the suspect criminal she is talking about. Mr. John advised him to dash the essay. Mr. John advised him to rewrite the essay. The dash of Joanne's email is inspirational. The content of Joanne's email is inspirational. I hope the two conflicting communities will resolve their conflict. I am having a stomach upset, not upset. Now, in this second question, we are required to underline the part of syllable where the stress falls in each of the following. In the first word, the stress will fall on the second syllable. Contest is a verb, not contest as a noun. So contest is a verb, it will fall on the second syllable. Discuss will fall on the second syllable, it will be a verb. Friendly will fall on the first syllable as a noun, and present will fall on the first syllable. We also have number 3, construct sentences using each of the words provided below as a noun and a verb. Now, we have the first one. is a rewrite. Rewrite is a noun and rewrite is a verb. We are required to construct a sentence using rewrite and rewrite. And protest and protest, we also have here number 3, conduct and conduct, and number 4 where we have permit and permit, and refund and refund. Now when we construct sentences using those words, then we will have the first part. The editor disliked the manuscript and requested for a rewrite. Rewrite there as a noun. You must rewrite is a verb. Your essay according to the instructions provided. The university students will organize a peaceful protest here against child labor, and they will protest. This is a verb and this is a noun. They will protest peacefully against child labor. Number 3 is conduct. Is admirable, that is a noun. We will conduct is a verb. It's a successful chemistry experiment. We'll conduct a successful chemistry experiment. And number 4, you have to get a permit used as a noun from the university before you do any research. The principal will not permit Charles to go to the contest. Now, I asked for a refund because I was not satisfied with their services, and he will not refund my money. This is used as a verb and this is used as a noun. So that is it for this lesson on our word stress, and I hope that this video will help you improve on your English. Kindly remember to like, please share this video, and also remember to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next lesson.